do a crash course on using your zipper foot. Do you notice there's actually two places to attach the foot to the machine? A left and a right. So when the machine is set for a straight stitch in the center needle position, okay, it can be attached as needed. So where do we need to attach it? Let's take a look. If we're going to just apply this zipper to the fabric, let's go ahead and just go like this, right side down. When we look at the foot, the idea is that the foot rides beside the zipper teeth. So we could just go ahead and see, all right, we need to hook up to the left side of this foot. Next, we can control how close the needle is to the zipper teeth. So if you need it really, really close or just sort of close, use your presser foot down 2 times to kind of get where you need to be, get everything lined up. Usually you do some pinning. We'll just kind of go for it. And as I take my first stitch, I see that I can move the needle even closer to the zipper. And we can get it exactly where we want it to be. And even just all those needle positions really make putting in zippers super easy. All right, we'll just go ahead and sew the first side. We're doing, again, crash course here. Zippers are not to be afraid of. There's wonderful things that you can do with zippers. And so now what we can do is we can just go ahead and press that and pin it in place if we want. But now look where we want the presser foot. Now we want it for top stitching over here next to the teeth. So now I'm going to hook it to the right side of the foot and move our needle position the other direction. And we'll see how close we need it to be. That way the foot stays out of the way. It just rides beside. I'm lowering this down. I'm going to see where I need to guide this. The needle looks like it's going to come down where I want it. So we'll have nice, close together top stitching. Perfect every single time. Just run the presser foot even with the fabric. And again, if you've pressed it and pinned it, you're going to have excellent results. All right, so that is how easy it is to top stitch it across. So if this was the other side of our bag, for example, we could go ahead, line up our edges here. Usually I like to sew with my zipper on top, so I'm going to flip it over. Once again, I need to have my zipper foot back over on the left side. So slide that back over, bring that back to the other side. Maybe you've noted how many needle positions you did the first time, so you can have the exact amount on the second time. And then really you're just going to repeat what we just did. Stitch it down, flip it over, switch the foot to the other side for perfect top stitching. And look, a zipper is started to be. So bags that have zippers in them, don't shy away from them. Your machine is going to help you do a perfect job.